So I came back to trading, which wasn't a good idea, and well, I lost another 200 on top of what I lost today. Yeah, I don't know. I just yeah, when your head's fucked up, like this one, I don't know what the fuck I was doing. OCG, you know, it was here when it does this move up and down. Even that, like, you know, even that's just like questionable, right? Trading this, the timing is wide now, and you know, you could try taking it. Like, this shit is only for a broken stock. This is not a broken stock. You know, I mean, look at 15-minute chart. Obviously, it's not broken yet. So, anyways, I was thinking to myself, okay, maybe if I could take a quick scalp here, early timing here to here. But look at this. This is not even early timing. So, you know, it's just a random scalp. This is not a broken stock. It's just a random scalp I'm doing. And even then, the timing is off. The timing is wrong. So, clearly it's not good. And then I take this trade. You're at the 10-minute chart. I'm like, okay, the theory is this is a crappy ass stock. You know, looking at this daily chart, obviously a crappy ass stock. And this is probably the topped out. You know, even though the timing is, it's really not good. I decided to take an entry and just say, hey, the timing is, I mean, based on the theory that this is probably topped out and this is going to fail. The problem with that is it's just not a good trade. I mean, even just looking at the price action on the 15-minute chart, this is not a good price action. This is not a trade you should be in the first place. So I just got out. I saw it moving up even just a little bit. I'm just like, you know what? I'm not supposed to even be in this trade. So I just got out. So again, you're trading for P&L instead of trading the chart, trading for performance. You know, if you're trading for performance, you should be trading a good setup. This is not a good setup. So, you know, I just stopped out. And this, I mean, you know, chances are that this is the top, but I can't keep doing this. Like, you can't, like, you trade for P&L, you trade for P&L, or you trade a good setup. You know, you trade for performance, you trade for performance. Like, this shit would just drive you fucking crazy. So, like, this easily could have just went up. And now I'm thinking to myself, oh yeah, I could have made money. Nah, this wasn't a good setup, and I should not have been in it in the first place. And me getting out, even out here, I think that was a good move. Actually, I know that was a good move, just getting out here. So, this setup I should not have been in the first place. Like, yeah, it's a pretty good theory that, you know, it's probably topped out and you can make a short here and it'll probably collapse. But that's not part of your trading process. You know, you're not trading theories. You're trading stuff that you know works. And if you're trading theories, then you're gonna be up and down all over the place. So, you know, you're trading stuff that works, that you know works. And, you know, I built a pretty solid process over all these months, and now I'm just throwing it all away. I'm just kind of going all over the place right now. So obviously my head is just not right. This whole week I've just been stressed out. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna do one more trading. If I have a losing day tomorrow, then I'm done for the rest of the week. I'm already down a lot. This is like the biggest I've ever been down. I think, well, I've lost 600 last week. But the way I'm losing this week is just, it's not good. So it's just trade after trade after trade, decisions after decisions, just wrong decisions, bad decisions constantly. So it's consistently bad trading. So and another thing, just one more thing for the OCG, I got blown up on this hourly chart. I mean, this is not a broken stock. The price action here on the 1 hour chart looks like it's broken, but this is a multi-day, and now it could be a new sentiment. Anything can be different. And plus, it's a midday runner. I mean, that's like an anomaly, anomaly type of move. So plus, it gave you a chance to get out too. You didn't take it, so. Yeah, IMTE I should have never been in. So I got in, got out at the top, of course. That's what happens when you just fucking do wrong shit. You end up getting out at the top. So if OCG was a trade, it would have been up here somewhere, not down here. So at the end of the day, something like this, you should not be trading lines. As it's going up, this should be waiting for price action. Yeah, this should be price action because this is not broken. So the thing is, either you're shorting exhausted tops or you're shorting broken pops that go, or like broken stocks that pop. That's really what it comes down to. And like on all these trades, you're not doing it. So none of these are exhausted. This one's definitely not broken. So tomorrow I'm just going to focus on two things, just tops that are exhausted and shorting pops on broken stocks. And you got to make sure that's broken. Otherwise, you're going to get squeezed out like you did with OCG. And then there was another trade that got squeezed out on Tuesday. Well, with the IMVO or something like shit. That wasn't IMVO. It was a stock similar to IMVO. What was it? I don't know. Anyways, it was a stock that I took a chance on in the mornings, and I got squeezed out on that one. So I squeezed out on that one, squeezed out on this one. The trade, like yesterday was bad, but today's even worse. So as far as trading performance is concerned. So tomorrow, yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow.